A single act of good can go a long way. It can cross oceans, cure disease, and create equality. As members of Rotary, we are people of action, and our actions have the power to speak loud and clear. Our vision and commitment to finding solutions keeps us connected to those who need it most, changing lives and creating opportunities with our groundbreaking work in education and literacy. There are more kids enrolled in school now than at any other point in human history, which is why supporting teachers is key. In classrooms, our innovative approach creates critical thinkers and big dreamers with the skills to achieve. Our global grants train teachers to use materials, new methods, and technology to inspire and energize students of all ages. We believe education has the power to lift families up, make real change, modify behavior, create healthy habits, and open minds. We believe that education creates security and safety in families so they can support, provide, and make informed, empowered decisions. Your contribution keeps students far and wide connected to a world of good. Every donation is an action that speaks volumes across classrooms, communities, and continents. Our vision and commitment to finding solutions provides access to high-quality care so vulnerable mothers and children can live longer and grow stronger. Rotary members worldwide work to improve maternal health and reduce child mortality by increasing access to essential medical services and implementing life-saving programs. We're providing comprehensive maternal care, preventative screenings, and family planning that empower women and girls to take charge of their own destinies. Our efforts aren't just changing lives. They're saving lives and strengthening families by training birth attendants, providing prenatal care, newborn immunizations, and facilitating mobile health clinics. Thanks to Rotarians like you, patients are receiving the practical and compassionate treatment they deserve so that babies are born safely into the arms of healthy mothers. Your contribution keeps mothers and babies far and wide connected to a world of good. Every gift is an action that speaks volumes in delivery rooms, communities, and across continents. Through our commitment to peace and justice around the world, we've seen its boundless potential firsthand. We see it every week across the globe as more than 35,000 Rotary clubs bring together women and men with leadership skills and diverse perspectives to unite communities around a common purpose. We're investing in programs that deepen cultural understanding while addressing the core causes of conflict so we can reduce violence and build trust. We believed the most important investment we'll ever make is in people, training young leaders to thrive and be resilient. As the Rotary Peace Centers thrive and our 60-year collaboration with the United Nations continues, the impact of our peace-building efforts is even further amplified, giving the voiceless a platform to speak for themselves and helping Rotary find potential in unexpected places.
It was just my young mind in the greed had me blind like a spell that had me blind.
Judge told me he's like either do 6 months or go through the PAC program for a year and a half. And I said, yeah, I'll do the PAC program.
I'm trying to turn the page because I'm sick of hearing the same old bull on the radio. The boys thought y'all should already know. Gave y'all real talk, you tried to outline me, told y'all to crown me, but you just
PAC stands for participation, acknowledgement, commitment, and transformation. And they are the 4 stages that an at-risk youth will go through in his path to a more positive life.
The next time that they get picked up by the police, they're going to be charged as adults, they're going to be lost to the adult system. So we're really trying to work with them and helping them to turn their lives around.
You know, I can't always just blame things on other people and always, make excuses.
What are you thinking about when you see yourself back in 2010?
Wow. Really, wow. So what I'm doing right now in school is just finishing my last 4 high school. And then after that, I was looking to go into criminal justice so that I could one day hopefully be a life coach. I look at it as, I'm not trying to glorify it, but I'm just trying to say, yo, this is what I went through, but it's what I want to change from. This isn't who I am anymore. This is who I was.
Like, you lose so much, motivation and energy. How did you go from that, point of when you're, so stuck?
When I started doing music, I used it as an outlet for my anger, because you can literally express anything you want, no matter what it is. Express it. Nobody can judge you for it. It's you, your feelings, right? Your thoughts, what you go through every day.
We're going to do whatever it takes, and we're not going to abandon them. We're going to be with them as long as they want us to be there. And so they know that we've got their backs covered.
I don't want to give up on myself anymore.
When David Lockett came to our Rotary Club, I was very excited by the model that he was presenting. I started to ask myself how Rotary could be involved in a more hands-on way.
And I believe that's what everyone would need, just someone that would listen to them and motivate them and push them to say, you're not doing anything wrong. You're just doing what you can at this time and point. And there is other options and more ways to do it. So just keep pushing no matter what.
Yeah. It means success. All right, we got you.
What the hope is and plan is that we'll have a legion of Rotary ambassadors who will be available and willing and interested in providing peer mentorship to at-risk youth in a variety of ways.
Like, it might not happen today, it might not happen tomorrow. They give you the blueprint with the PAC program, and you got to run with it as a person.
Rotary's progress in polio eradication is an enduring example of our success. Building a global infrastructure and activating a network of volunteers capable of connecting the right people and inspiring action. Leveraging that success and the power of partnership, our global grants provide access to equipment, training, education, and vaccinations to ensure safe births and keeping kids healthy. Rotary Club members unite to create a world where our disease prevention and treatment programs aren't just changing lives, they're saving lives, providing surgeries and health assessments through practical and compassionate treatment. We're educating families and mobilizing communities to treat illnesses and prevent disease, engaging local health workers, and working with partners with expertise in cancer, heart disease, and diabetes care. We're changing lives and creating opportunities through our groundbreaking work in clean water, sanitation, and hygiene. Our global grants help communities create and maintain water resources close to home, because when clean water is within a child's grasp, so is a safe and promising future. We're committed to supporting sanitation projects that meet the needs of women and girls. Our programs provide modern facilities and hygiene training to cultivate long-term health and wellness. From safe access to water to private toilets and programs to teach healthy habits, we're working in homes, clinics, and schools to help families live healthy lives. Rotary Club members unite to create a world where water, sanitation, and hygiene are cornerstones of self-confidence and dignity, well within the reach of families who need it most. We choose to see the world for what it could be. Through our commitment to advancing economic and community development around the world, we've seen its boundless potential firsthand. Thanks to Rotarians like you, we've seen the number of people living in poverty worldwide drop by more than 50% in the last 20 years. Our efforts are fostering entrepreneurship and economic self-sufficiency to create lasting change. We're altering outlooks and feeding communities in need and giving families a viable path out of poverty. With vocational training, mentorship, and access to well-paying jobs. We believe that effective humanitarian organizations operate at the intersection of commerce and cause, allowing us to channel community and worldwide resources that open new doors.
O que me motivou a participar deste projeto em desenvolvimento no nosso Clube Rotary foi a oportunidade que eu vi de poder ajudar a pequenos agricultores, né?
50,1% toda a emissão de gases que se produz, ele é proveniente da agropecuária. A ideia fundamental nossa do projeto foi plantar 60 hectares, são as metas do projeto, plantar 60 hectares de agrofloresta. A gente planta o alimento dentro da floresta e até chegar num tempo onde ele não precisa mais trazer mais nada de fora, que a própria floresta já se torna autossustentável.
ele melhora o clima da região onde ele está implantado, tá? E ele também combate o reflorestamento, né? Ele propicia o reflorestamento de áreas degradadas.
O nosso grande sonho é que esse trabalho ele se expanda para outros agricultores e outros, para que a gente possa impactar as cidades circunvizinhas com produtos orgânicos sem veneno.
É um grande projeto de desenvolvimento econômico que está sendo viabilizado graças ao programa de subsídios globais do Rotary Internacional.